Ever wondered how to craft a familiar, engaging interface like Facebook right within Webflow, pushing your UI/UX skills to the limit? Let's dive into replicating that iconic social media feel. We'll start by sketching out the core structure. Think of your Webflow canvas as a blueprint. We'll begin with a main container, establishing the overall width and centering it on the page inside this. We'll create distinct sections for the header, a left-hand navigation or sidebar, and the main content feed where all the action happens. The header is often the first impression. We'll add a div block and style it for a clean, prominent header bar inside this. We can place our logo, perhaps a simple text element or an image, and a search input field, making sure to define its dimensions and placeholder text for intuitiveness. Next, the sidebar. This is crucial for navigation. We'll use another div block for our sidebar, setting its width and anchoring it to the side. We'll then populate this with individual elements, like buttons or links, styled to resemble familiar navigation options. Using auto layout here can be incredibly helpful for keeping things perfectly aligned and responsive. Now, for the heart of the experience, the content feed. This is where we'll build the individual posts. Think of each post as a self-contained unit. We'll use div blocks for each post, and then within that, add elements for the author's avatar, their name, the post's text or media, and those essential interaction buttons like and comment. To make this dynamic and scalable, we'll leverage Webflow's CMS. We'll create a collection for posts, defining fields for the content, images, author details, and even timestamps. Then, we'll bind these collection items to our repeating post structure, making content management a breeze and allowing for endless scrolling. We can even implement hover effects on interactive elements to add a touch of polish and user feedback.